to get a dynamic island on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, what we can do is we can download an app from the Play Store. And the app that I'm gonna use is called Dynamic Spot. Let's just type Dynamic Island, there we go. This is the app that I'm gonna use. And once it is installed, we're gonna open it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. I think this one works the best. Of course, probably there are some other apps that work in a similar way as well. However, we're gonna stick with this one. Feel free to try anything else, however. Alright, so once we have this screen over here, we need to first press Select Apps, and we can choose which apps should be synchronized with the dynamic island. So you can choose which notifications should be working with our island. Of course, you can select everything at once, or you can just individually select apps. After that, once we go back, we want to go to Notification Access. Here we want to tap on Dynamic Spot and press Allow. Let's then go to Draw on Screen, tap once and press Allow, and then tap again in order to press Next. After that, go to Installed Apps, Dynamic Spot, and enable Dynamic Spot and press Allow. Alright, and now we can press Done, close this ad, and first what we're gonna do is go to the position, because over here we can adjust the size of the dynamic island. As you can see, it is a little bit more small by default. We can change its position a little bit, so I'm gonna actually make it wider, something like this, and we can also make it taller if we want to, maybe a little bit too tall, and we can adjust the vertical position so that it's actually somewhat centered with the front camera. I think it looks pretty good right now, more or less. And there we go. So this is how the dynamic island looks like. Now, once you receive a notification from the app that you have selected on the list over here, of course you have some ads in the meantime. If you go through the app, then if you like I said, if you receive any of these notifications, I mean notifications from these apps, then you should be able to have the dynamic island working. And in some cases you might also see system pop-ups, which cannot be disabled on the phone, but apparently there is also another app that is called Pop-up Control that should be working over here. So you can give it a try if you wish to, but the dynamic island itself will be working like that right now. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!